Hello, my name is Cadet Themis, and today we are at the NMMI Open House, and we're going to be asking our visitors a couple questions. Enjoy the video! Okay, why are you visiting NMMI?
I'm doing my tour today, the interview.
Just to see how the campus is. Still in middle school, but I'm gonna get a head start and see how it is.
I'm visiting NMMI because I want to get a good scholarship and a good career.
I'm visiting for my future.
One of my cousins is here and I really like this school.
Why are you visiting NMMI?
I'm planning to go to high school here.
To be honest, I'm just here to see the campus, just to see if I'm interested or not, and I think so. I'm interested in visiting here.
I also came to visit the campus.
What do you see yourself doing 2 years after high school?
I see myself running a business, like a restaurant business maybe. Yeah.
Okay, that's a pretty good goal. If you don't mind me asking, what type of restaurant?
Mexican.
That's pretty good food.
I think I want to go to cosmetology school and practice nails, hair, and all that stuff.
I want to go to Texas Tech, probably nursing.
Probably welding or probably be a teacher.
I want to be a travel nurse.
I study at college.
Maybe trying to find a college here.
Hopefully in college at somewhere in Texas.
What's your favorite thing to do with your family?
Just to hang out in the living room, watch TV.
I like to go out and eat.
I like to sit at home and watch movies with them.
I like to hang out with them, going out with them.
Favorite thing to do is spend time, have field trips, play board games. And
Go to any place to talking and
I like hanging out with them, probably traveling too.
Fish in the summer.
If you could live anywhere, what would it be and why?
I'll be in New York. It's big, has great food. It's nice.
California because it's big and I like big cities.
Lake Tahoe, California, because it's just pretty cool over there.
New York. And because I really like this city and it's very cool.
I'd go to Los Angeles because over there in California, that's where I was born.
I think Seattle because it's pretty nice there from the photos that my brothers took from there. And yeah.
I love to live in Tokyo, Japan, because I've seen a lot of, at nighttime, their lights look really pretty.
I'd probably go to Niagara Falls because of how beautiful the waterfall is.
If you had one wish, what would it be?
To be the best at anything that I do.
My wish would make my parents happy. I would want to buy them their dream car and everything.
To have health, really healthy body.
Probably spend more family time.
To be good and be good with my family and everything, yeah.
Fly.
My wish would be to live in a huge castle.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you want to keep on following up, please go to nmmi.edu or follow us on our social media platforms.